everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the total number of unused or rarely used apps or softwares present in your Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So we might have installed a tons of softwares or applications on our Windows computer, and we might have forget to use those applications or software which we have installed earlier. So it becomes very difficult to find or check out what are the installed applications or softwares present in our Windows computer that we are not using anymore. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Soft Organizer, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. So finally the download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it's been downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. So now just click on next, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, wait for a few more seconds. So finally the application has been installed successfully. Now you can just disable this third option as well as the second option. You can just disable it and click on finish. Now it will auto detect all the application or softwares that are being installed or present in your Raspberry Windows computer. So now on the above you can see here one option written rarely used, right? Just click on it. Now it will scan, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the scan has been completed, and you can see here it's showing a 6 number of rarely used app. So you can just click on it, and now you will see all the apps that are being unused or rarely used on your Raspberry Windows computer. So these are my applications that I rarely use or which are being unused. So by using this application name as Soft Organizer, you can easily find out the total number of unused or rarely used apps or softwares present in your Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.